I think it's time to drain the pool. We had our fun with it. 200,000 Orbeez. So let's see if this works. Orbeez are coming out. Wow, that's a lot of Orbeez, yo. Alright, let's drain this pool and get serious. Also gonna toss this thing in the scrapyard right now. Picked up some new shades yesterday from Ray-Ban. These are not just regular shades. Did you know that they make shades with cameras? That's right, there's a camera on each side. So I'm gonna try them out. So they look like normal shades. That's the style I like, but there's cameras. There's cameras in them. So I'm recording me, recording you, I guess, right? The only thing that sucks is about these shades is you can only record 30 to 60 second videos. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to use the footage of these shades, but I thought they were pretty cool. And no, I'm not sponsored, I'm just trying them out. So if they suck, I'm gonna straight up say it that they suck. So off to the scrapyard. $92.20. Look at that 5 series. Nice car, ain't it?
Yeah.
Race car.
That lawnmower you had in the back when I was looking at it.
Yeah.
Getting ready to hit the lawnmower.
Yeah.
Sure, if I grab it?
Grab it. Well, this is a parts car. I'm actually restoring one and I'm using the parts off of this one. Yeah. He's got skills. It's heavy. There he goes. All right. Good stuff. Goodbye, little midget. You have a good one.
You too, thank you.
Wow, $36 for all that. So $36 for that whole pile over there. Guess I'm not gonna retire today. But hey, $36 is better than nothing. That's a gasket kit right there.
Starter motor sitting there also. We'll take care of that. This is not the same starter motor as the Sunbeam, unfortunately. But we got two, we should be okay. Grab that little blue box right there.
This
Put a little, yeah, no. Yeah. Go with that.
There's the nuts on the other side.
Oh, here's a wrench.
You got one?
Oh,
Yeah, I broke chassis too last time. I'm
Yeah.
surprised he lets me use
Which
them.
one?
One of these. We broke a 14 mil. It was like the The OG one from Snap-on. So I'm surprised he still trusts me with his tools.
You can't take them with you. You gotta use them. Tools work as hard as I do, at least. Well, then let me let things down a little bit so
Last
if
two.
it falls, it's not dramatic.
I've got my work boots on.
Yeah, I saw
Me
that.
too.
Chaz is not happy with that.
Okay, try that.
That should be it.
Come down more so we're not so up in the air.
Oh wow. The engine housing is broken, or is this just a plate?
Let's set all this stuff over on the bench over there.
You want to set the engine down? Look at this, Chaz. You like that?
Well, well, of course, we know we have another one.
Yeah.
I like the look of that. Doesn't that look like
That
it's
looks new.
fresh? Yeah.
Yeah, this looks real fresh.
Really, really fresh.
See,
This transmission is.
You see how the transmission's broken over here?
now as I recall,
Chaz ordered this whole rear section. Because these are hard to find. They're ribbed. They're the good transmission.
yeah,
Nobody's selling.
we got a clutch over here,
Yeah.
It's good.
so we'll be okay. And I like the looks of that.
Yeah.
Him at least.
Yeah. Look at that. Brand new.
It's brand new. We have a brand new clutch. That's a step in the right direction, boys. I love it.
Yes,
And
sir.
this means 3 rods have to go through there. I don't know what it all means. We'll find
Is there
out.
any special tooling required?
Now, we're not going to disassemble this engine for now.
Okay.
You want to pull out the Sunbeam engine then and
Yeah.
act like we're going to sell it?
E-brake works perfect.
A little more?
I think we're good. We're gonna salvage Nina's car.
Push. Uphill away from that Sunbeam.
He's more worried about the Sunbeam than the Honda. Lower it.
We can scoot it if we want.
Yeah. Yeah. Raise it up, Jacob.
Yeah, pump it. Okay. Keep going. We got a long ways to go. We got to get up to here.
The claw.
Got a hold?
Mm-hmm. And it's bending it. It's bending the shoe. You need your claw. A little bit. You need to go from the bottom, I think. Yeah, this flywheel right here. What do you think about these teeth right here?
I think they're not brand new.
And then hit the top again. The bottom is out.
Okay. That's helping.
Yeah.
Now where
Keep
are
going. Keep going.
we? Top still?
Yeah. Chaz is trying to give me more purple fingernails.
Here it is. All right, you can put that one right on this
Okay.
bench right here. Anyway, let's try these.
Yeah, good thing I got extra. I always get extra, just in case.
Oh, well, nice to have.
My guy's over here removing the blower motor.
We've got to gotta get some parts put away here before too long.
Yeah.
Work. 6 to 11 is one of the closest ones.
Really?
Yeah. And 14 is a what?
14 is a tight 9/16.
That's the one I broke.
If your 9/16 strips on you, you can get out of 14.
Yeah.
And then you can have your door breaker.
Yeah. I break everything.
Yeah.
Come up some. Now, I have no idea how we're going to get this to fit, but we'll just do it one. Let's get yours as glass. That's probably enough.
Probably too much.
Okay, here. Now what we got to do is we got to get something somehow.
Kind of tight though.
I see that.
Did he give me the wrong ball?
Hold this, take this, wait a second, let me get a tool.
Feels good.
Yeah, I think so. It should appear any moment.
Cutting new threads, bro. I mean, it looks like it's going pretty easy.
Where the hell is it?
There we go. Let's see it. I was worried the guy gave me the wrong bolts.
Okay. One more, here it is. I wanted to turn and force me, so see, so you gotta hold it like that.
Okay.
Maybe I should do this one first. Huh?
Look at that speed range go. What was the torque on that?
About.
Yeah, let's do that. Go up, Jason. Up, up, up.
Okay, now I think we got it. I gave you the, did I give you
Yeah.
the pin?
Here.
Okay.
You wanna grab the pin? I'll put this
All
on.
right. All right, now rotate to right there.
Boom.
Now let it out.
Ready?
Yeah.
Now the engine's on its feet. Picture in here.
Yeah, let's vacuum it out and find out if this will actually work.
Oh, my phone fell in the trash. These doors close pretty good.
Better than the other one.
Yeah. We got
Once
no
we
gas.
move them
pedal.
up, they'll be better.
So I'm 6'4". Oh, let's go.
Perfect.
Alright, let's see if.
Yeah. Slam it. Yeah. Yeah, I'll be able to drive it.
Well, that'll be excellent.
Even if we don't get a seat, I'll just take the seat out every time I drive.
Well, we need the minimalist seat, that's for sure.
The only problem is...
You can't get your knees straight, can you?
No, there's no gas pedal. Yeah. Did the other one have a gas pedal?
Yeah.
I did? Okay.
It's not good.
The only gauge in here is a fuel gauge.
That's what you need.
Yeah, I gave away the gauges. I don't approve of that either.
It's got a key.
Georgia. Ah.
That's not good.
There's some washers here. What is that? Oh, is that part of the
Button.
top?
Yeah. Trash?
Nah, keep it.
Where?
Oh, this one's got a speaker in the back here. Look at that. It's that Bose surround sound. This one is just spinning.
Did you try raising the seat up?
It wiggled it. It's pretty solid.
And it seems solid?
Yeah, it's not a rust bucket like the other kind. I can get the 3 nuts up here, take it off the track. Hopefully it'll come up that way. But it seems like this
Well, I don't know about... See, that one just came apart off the track. I don't know if they're really... will slide enough to come off in frame, probably not.
stripped or something.
This one I can get a wrench on. Turn this inner one once.
I can't, it's stripped. Or there's a different size
Oh.
or something. Jacob, give me a smaller than a 1/2 inch, whatever that is.
It ain't no 1/2 inch. It's 7/16.
These are?
Yeah.
Well, this one is
And I need a 7/16 wrench.
this side is a 1/2 inch.
7/16 wrench.
Never got this in release.
I have a.
Got jammed somehow.
Oh, this is the small.
7/16
half
wrench. That's
Yeah,
what
3/8 though.
Oh, those bigger ones. My bad.
I'm excited I got light to work it back
Yeah.
in now.
Yeah.
I don't. I gotta figure out somewhere to put this thing. So we got a little bit taken apart under the hood today, and we got the seats out. And turns out, if you're 6'4", you can fit in one of these if you sit on the floor or up here. And so we might go with some racing seats. Chaz said he found one. I haven't seen it, but I'm excited about it. We're gonna pressure wash this in the next day or two. The seats are in decent shape, but they need to be restored. We also took the transmission off. And it turns out the clutch is brand new. It's on the shelf here. We got 2 brand new clutches basically, but the back of the transmission is busted here, but Chaz was able to locate a piece that will just unbolt here, and we'll replace that. So that'll be in the next video, so stay tuned. This engine's on the stand now, and we're waiting for a gasket kit, and Chaz is gonna go over everything and make sure it all looks good. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. Later.